Hapdeng ke jingmih khubor ba amazing korba we ni kinong canvas election batwit ba po sa sansi ba ula bandung no cha kaseng VPP ri mala Hapdeng kider ba sundor ba jong ba adan wa sanshar lengdo MLA ba thymmai jo Sohïong constituency uba sanshar lengdo labang smai menta kasni ka khandro tarik ujemang arja rolai hapalau jo office rekam MLA listed assembly Smai udah Deputy Speaker juga Assembly udah mesti syira rengkat ke jonang ruki officer juga Assembly pakam juru kini ngilam juga seng United Democratic Party. Wasan salun do ulah job ya kadaksan boleh sulong ke spotek mata ubna ya ke bola penrem ya umli juga NPP ubah Assembly menengah.
I, Sanshar Khubor Lingdo Thaba, have been elected a member of the Legislative Assembly. Do solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
Mereka si bolong kapang mo. Nang ni mat sedang like what I've said, starts a new era. Sohïong presidency, and also I think a good thing. And with God's blessing to the people of the constituency and also for the state.
New era in what sense?
I didn't get you.
New era in what sense?
New era means a new MLA of Sohïong constituency starts a new development, new ideas of bringing something new to the constituency and also adding a new brain to the assembly. Thank you.
You said earlier that you will be a lawmaker beyond the legislative task. Tell us what way.
I didn't say much about that, but being a legislator, you just come and sit in the assembly. I want to be a legislator who will speak in the assembly, which me speaking might be an addition or wake-up call to many other MLAs in the assembly.
You know, unaccomplished work of your relative earlier.
Mine.
So what are the things which need immediate attention?
Yeah, I think all starts from ground zero. He's done a lot for the constituency, and talking about myself, then I'll start everything from ground zero.